Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a windsurfer. This is a traditional model, and it's a really fun one because it's really easy to fold, but when you're done you can blow on the back of the sail and watch it glide. But to fold this, we're going to use a 6-inch sheet of kami, and we're going to start with the colored side down. Then we're going to fold in half along this diagonal here. So I'm going to bring this left point over to meet this right point here. We'll line those two corners up, hold it in place, and then crease all the way across. And then unfold. Next I'm going to bring this right edge in to lie along the center crease we just made. So bring that edge over, then you want to make sure it lines up all the way to this top corner here. So start the crease from that top corner and then crease all the way down, just making sure you hold it in place. Then do the same thing on this side here. So we'll bring this edge in to lie along that same center crease. And then I'll start folding from that top corner there. And just make sure it lines up all the way down as I'm creasing. And there we are. Next, we're going to bring this top point down to this bottom point here. So line those 2 points up at the bottom and then crease. Next I'm going to turn the model over top to bottom like this. Next we'll bring this edge in to lie along the center crease. And when we do this, you'll notice that this bottom edge doesn't lie along itself when we fold it in. So just pay attention to this edge right here, making sure it lies along that center crease. Then once you have that, you can press it down. Do the same thing on the left side, so bring this edge in to lie along the same center crease. And crease that down. Next we're going to bring this top point, then we're going to valley fold it down this way as far as it will go, which you'll notice where these edges meet on the sides here. The valley fold is going to run between those 2 points. So if you start folding that down, you'll fold it as far as it can go. You should feel the resistance and know where to fold. And crease that down firmly. And then you'll lift that back up so it's at a 90-degree angle from the rest of the model, like this. And then we're all done. To make it work, you'll just blow on the back of the sail. So if you set it down and then blow right on the edge here, or right on the back of that sail, it should scoot across the table. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.